KORLOY provides you with the tooling solutions that you need. PCD tools, customized tools with high efficiency. PCD tools ensure stable tool life in high speed and high feed conditions with its diamond edge. Diamond edge is harder and chemically more stable than other tool materials. It maintains high hardness in high temperatures and is able to achieve better machining efficiency with same depth of cut conditions in high-speed machining. PCD tools are able to machine complicated workpiece shapes at once and make it possible to produce tools with more functions such as side face and spot face machining or reaming. Its ultra-light aluminum body makes it suitable for high-speed machining and has an adjusting screw that can manage balance levels up to G2.5. AeroMill series is one of PCD tools, and it is an indexable milling cutter. AeroMill Plus was engineered for high-speed machining by preventing machine overload on axial bearing with its lightning aluminum body. AeroMill Mini shows excellent performance in when operated in small-sized machining centers. KORLOY's customized machining tools, PCD tools. KORLOY's innovations for perfect machining begin now. KORLOY.